Biomolecules are the main components of our body and of the body of all living organisms. They are complex molecules, very complex in some cases, but they are part of our everyday life, although most of us are not aware of this. In fact, together with vitamins and minerals, they are the basis of our nutrition. Carbohydrates, for example, contain sugar and polysaccharides. Sugars are compounds that can be found in fruit, but also in milk and many other kinds of food. Generally, they are easily recognized by their sweet taste. Polysaccharides are not sweet, though they are made of sugars. However, they are the basis of nutrition for most human beings. They are the basic components of all starchy foods, such as wheat, potatoes, corn, rice, but also pasta, bread and polenta. They can be found in many other kinds of foods, for example, legumes like beans, chickpeas, lentils, and the like. Lipids are fatty acid substances, such as the seasonings like oil and butter, but they can be found in high quantities in some kinds of meat, in eggs, and in several vegetables such as avocados. They work mostly as reserve substances, as they are very rich in energy. Proteins are perhaps the most varied and complex class of biomolecules. This is why several foods contain an amount of them, but in our diet, the foods which are richer in proteins are meat, eggs, fish, and their byproducts such as ham and salami. Amongst vegetables, legumes are an important source of proteins. The last class of biomolecules is that of the nucleic acids. These include RNA and the well-known DNA. All cells contain an amount of DNA because, as you probably know, it works as hereditary memory. Each cell has its own quantity of DNA, though this is not stored in a specific part of a living organism, so it is not particularly important as an alimentary source. In spite of that, all living beings contain it. We will look for DNA in a banana. It will be the chance to carry out an easy and amusing laboratory experiment.